Good morning, everyone. So there are two ways to get into your back office. You can use the link and go to Essential Bodywear, but I'm going to show you yet another one. You can go to essentialbodywear.com/sign-in. This is my testing account, so I put in my username, which is my A12239 number, or the new number that you're not so familiar with, which is your stylist number. You then will enter the password. So you can do this if you have already logged in and you've already hit the forgot password link to reset it. So once you're all done, if you want to get to your website quickly, you can go this way, essentialbodywear.com/sign-in. How else can you get there? Let me show you. Here's the traditional way to get to your website. I know that many of you have still been asking questions on how we get to this location. This is actually really simple and shouldn't be difficult for you. Here's your sign up and subscribe link for the customers to fill out. You can go ahead and get rid of that. But you see right here, you have a stylist look them up or sign in. So customers will be looking to your left. This is the best way to remember it. Customers should be looking to the left. You look to the right. So rep right, customer left. Rep is right. Rep is always right. Customer is left. So customers will go here to look up a rep, typing in, for instance, let's look for Deb. She knows she met Deb somewhere. She looks through, oh yes, that's Deb. She has her picture. Now, as you can see, our other Debs have not added their photo yet. That's a real disadvantage because a lot of people do not remember your last name, but they will remember what you look like. So let's say we would select Deb, but that's not what we're going to be working on right now. We're going to be working on how to sign in from this page. So the other way to sign in is at the home page, click on the sign in link in the corner. And then if you're new to the site, you will hit forgot password. From that point, you would hit forgot password. This will bring up a new section to enter your email. And I would put in sodercat@gmail.com because that's the email attached. And I would submit it. And then a reset will be going to that email. I'm not going to use it because I already know my password. So I'm going to stop and refresh my screen and show you how to log in from here. What would be wrong with what I have done right now? Let's take a look. The field says ID/username. So a question, what is your ID? Did you think about that? What is your username? Well, your username is your A number. So when you're new to the system, just type in your A number here. We're all very familiar with that. The ID number is a new number that is assigned in our new back office. So I'm going to remove my email and type in my A number along with my password. Take a look at what you see here. I am in my back office website. Well, guess what I don't see here anymore? The find a stylist, right? Because I don't need to find a stylist. I'm already here. And this is me shopping. So I am logged in right now on my own website. That is why I see this information here. I can see my picture here and my name and parties that I have right there. Now let me have to go up all the way up to, because I happen to be here and I logged in. I can simply click on my photo and then click on my portal. And this brings me to my back office. Wow, so simple. This is really much more, I would say, intuitive to navigate once you get used to it. I know change is tough. We're all very familiar with the other site, but this is going to be much easier. Once you're in here, hopefully you've already done the first steps, but I will remind you once again, go into your profile, click on your profile and go through all of these sections and make sure all of the information on here is correct. The box with the pencil is how you will do so. So we're going to move on to some more advanced topics since we should have already, 1, logged in, and 2, looked at our profile. What is the difference? The two first, we have a shop page here and a personal website. The personal website is what you will be sharing with your customers when they want to shop. That will be your A number, which essential is your username. So it's essentialbodywear.com/?sponsor A equals A12239. So that is your website. You can always, let's see if I can get this all the way up here. You can look at your browser right here. See this little link right here? That is your website. This is the same thing that you would post and put into your dot card or a QR code to make it easier for a customer to find you. So let's go back to our home page. If you click on the shop page here, this is going to go shopping. And as you can see, shopping right there with you. So if you click on that, let's say a customer calls you or you're doing an expo, you would click on shop and you would go down here, as you can see it's me, and enter that party. Where are you? So back to parties. We can create parties now. I already have one created here. I will be closing it soon. I have a $1,200 in sales. Now keep in mind, this is just my test one. Click on Create Party, go down, enter your details, click the image that you would like to attach to it, pick a party date, and complete. I've also covered that in another video, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on that. I wanted to show you how you can read the reports and see your orders. So if you go here to your reports and orders, I can see all of the orders that have been completed. So this order was a shopping cart order, and these 3 were with parties. Now, what would I have done if, oh, look how great that is. You see right away what your volume will be on your order. So let's say she was shopping and didn't realize she was at a party. It's no problem. You can reach out to home office and we will certainly help you with that. But you have to be sure that you're giving your stylist number, which is your ID number up here. So this is your stylist number. 125701 is mine. You can also find it here in your dashboard. 1257701. This is my stylist ID. This is my username. So remember, our A number is no longer like the cat's meow. That is not how we find you. We find you with your stylist ID. Obviously, we can find you with your last name, but you'll need to let rep support know that you have a shopping cart order that was supposed to be with a party. We will try to make that as easy as possible for your customers to find. You can share the shopping link. You have the ability to change it if we need to. You can go over here to see any orders that have been returned. Genealogy is always interesting because this will show you who's in your downline. You can click on, on the picture, and you will see all the information, see the sales, the phone number, email. Great to have as a resource. And then you can go here to your resources. This is where your whole contact list would be. Company news is in here. This is all of our announcements that you're so used to. Our calendar with any events, and documents are your sales tools. So these are the sales tools that you are used to and using already. So question came up, I have a return. What do I do? Advantage of having all of us on one website. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of your website, and you can either tell your customer to click on the shipping and returns, or you can do it for her. Shipping and returns, scroll all the way to the middle and download the form. You can let your customers know that the return and exchange form is right here on the website. Download the form. Up comes the form. They can fill this out and send this back to home office. So that's all for today. I'm going to go over one quick tip. If you are helping another rep, for instance, I'm here in my Google Chrome. I've gone to my website. It stays logged in as me. As you can see down here at the bottom, let me pull this down. It's still me. However, I might go to help somebody, and I'll show you what happens. Gone in to help Amy Holland, and by the way, she has an awesome picture. She has a bit of her, what she does in the background. This is a great choice of photo. Nice job, Amy. She would click on, let's say she needed some help, and I might click on her personal website. And as you can see down here, it's still stuck on corporate test. So let's say one of your downline had called, you helped her, you logged in as her to look, and it's stuck. Well, that's okay. That's easy to fix. What did I need to do to fix that? I'll show you. In here is me, and I know I'm going to help somebody else out. I can just hit the log out button right here. And if I sign in as another rep from here, it will go to her link. But let's say that I've just pulled her up from our back office, and I'm now going to go to her link. Now when I click on personal website, well, here, let me go back. Now when I go in and click on personal website and go down to the corner, again, customers are on the left, reps are right, reps are always right. And this is her personal website. So the customer would see Amy down here. If I go back and I click on the shop page, now you see rep is on the right. So rep is always right. That is because Amy would be going in here to place an order for a customer, or perhaps an expo, a customer who just wasn't sure what to do or how to select. And Amy's on the right and she's placing the order. So hope that helps. As always, reach out to us. Let us know if we can help you.